Dead bird. Tank, over here. Come on. Find my shell here. There it is. Okay. So what happened here is we were crossing this gorge. Look at that. There goes another right there. Tank, dead bird. He wants to point versus retrieve. Dead bird. So basically I'm on this gorge and I can hear Chucker, and I kicked up. The dog was a long ways away. I kicked up about 30 birds. Now they flew off one direction, but he ran out here and pointed, and I figured he had at least a single. So looks like he had 2 or 3 out here. All right, that's a nice bird. Boy, it's a plump bird too. Wow, look at the coloration on that. That's gorgeous. So we're actually heading for the hills, but we'll take a flatland chucker. Okay, so tank's on point. Surprise, surprise. This is kind of where that big covey that I kicked up flew to. Got one there. Dead bird. Come on, Tank. There's my shell. Always try to get your shells. There goes another bird right there. So, come on, Tank. Dead bird. Let's see if we can find that bird. He didn't go down hard. Come on, Tank. Come on. Tank. I like Tank where he was at. I could see the bird drop. That's kind of a long shot, too. Tank's going to go find more birds, I guess. Ah, there he is. Come on. Come on, Tank. Come here. Come on. Dead bird. Dead bird. Well, I won't burn up battery time here. We'll find that bird. I think that was a 0 for 3 there. hit him. Dead bird. Well, I don't know if he's dead. Pretty good breeze coming uphill here. Let him relocate on these birds. They're down there. Oh, there they go. Shit. Big covey. Just a little far for a shot. So I think they were running on this bare dirt here. And the wind's just to the point where I'm not sure. You know, I hate to walk past the dog and past the birds and then have them be behind me, which happens a lot. So then I kind of figured, hey, they are up ahead. So maybe he'll find a straggler, or maybe we'll just mosey on. I ran across this valley here and locked up again. 4 birds there. I don't know if those were Huns or Chucker. They didn't make a sound as they flew up. Huh. Can't get them all. It's about a 400-yard point, so actually not too tough a terrain to get to him. Damn, just a little far. Not sure what's got the birds all stirred up. Historically, this area gets hawked pretty bad, and it gets these birds on edge. I haven't seen any hawks this morning. I did see a gold eagle flying around, so maybe I just need to hustle a little bit quicker and get close to those birds before they get up. So we moved on to location B, and I parked the truck right on top of a covey of Chucker, probably about 30 birds. Note to self, park back a little bit further. It was a spot I should have known there might be birds, but so anyway, I cut tank loose, and those birds flew to the southwest. He ran to the northeast here. So let's see what's happening. God, look at me. Oh, shit. Damn. Another nice covey. Boy, they're just on the edge. Now, we've got, I think, 3 birds in the bag, so I can't complain, but... goodness. All right, well, you can't get them all, and we'll try to, though, maybe. Took tank about 2 minutes to find another covey, and we haven't gotten any further than 250 yards in the truck. Trying not to get caught in that little ravine, and the birds bust before I get back up on top, so I'll just walk around it. All right, we're not messing around this time. One dropped. It's pretty amazing. 3 coveys of birds within about 250 yards of the truck. Of course, where I parked the truck, I kicked a big covey up. Dead bird tank. Oh, look. Wow, there goes more. Bring it here. Good job. Come on. Come on. So way down there, another covey got up. Good boy. Good job. Come here. Come on. Come on. Just give me the bird. As you can tell, Tank is on a mission, but isn't he always? God damn, didn't load the gun. It didn't load the gun. Oh. All right. All right, so after that last point where I didn't have a shell in the gun, I am loaded now. There's Tank now. He ran off about 500 yards from that last encounter and locked up again. That's the swear I've been walking for an hour to get to him. So right before the incident with no shell in the gun, and right after we had bagged the last chucker, battery went dead on the GoPro, and so we made kind of a circle back the truck and pointed 5 coveys of, or you call them coveys, so 5 groups of sage grouse. So we pulled out of there and decided to go to location C. I've lost track of points we've had. So we have 5 points on sage grouse, 7, 8 points on chucker, something like that. I assume these are chucker. Yeah, these birds are running on him. Oh, wait a minute. Okay, I just saw it happen. I don't know if the camera picked it up. So right about where Tank's at now, I put my head down, looked back up, and a bunch of birds flew off. So he was on those birds. It's a very good wind. Oh shit. Maybe I'll pick up a straggler. It's a bagging bird number 5, and we're almost to the truck. That dog has absolutely no quit to him. Oh, there's a sage grouse there. Huh. Oop. So he's relocated. Could be another sage grouse or chucker. That's a bomber right there. That's a big one. Look at that. He's still thinks there's something right ahead of him. Okay, there goes another. What a great day. That dog just I can't keep up with his points. I'm gonna get one of those counter clicker things. Look, there's more. Look at that. More sage grouse. Boy, those are big bombers. I think in the start of the winter, those males get together and hang together. So, all right, let's just call this a day and put it away in the memory vault. Done. So he's right in front of the truck there. You know, if you can't go with the birds, let them come to you, I guess. I'm going to assume another sage hen, but you never know. Damn it. I'll admit, I was thinking sage grouse. All right, I think we're done for the day. That's Tank's world. It ain't over till he says it's over. So he just ran right behind the truck now. Back on point. So I wonder if I did hit one and it's wounded and he's repointing it, or if this is just more birds. Okay, maybe I have a chance to limit out on these chucks today. That's why you don't take brand new guns chucker hunting. I just wonder if that is that wounded bird. Come on, Tank. Fuck. Jesus. So I was really thinking, okay, he's got that, you know, I thought that rock would kick up a bunch of birds, and so it's that wounded bird that he was on and just repointing, but no. All right. Crazy ass day, let me tell you.